With everything that's going on in the world at the moment, we need this now more than ever.
Young people have a unique perspective that needs to be shared in the world.
It's going to be our future, we're the ones who's going to be growing up in it, we should be getting a say in what we want to do.
It's for young people, it's been set up with young people. It'll make Wales a better place to grow up.
When we are affected by something that adults make, that's concerning for us.
There's a massive want for political change, there's a want for actual politics to be decided by young people.
Hwn yw'r dechreuad perffaith I gael gwleidyddion Cymru a bellach I ryndon o'n. It's all about moving on, moving forward with a better society, with a fairer society as well.
Mae'r cyfle hwn yn cyfle eiraidd I sicrhau bod llais pobl ifanc yn cael ei rhoi yn ôl ar flaen materion pwysig Cymru.
The topics that you're discussing aren't politics, it's everyday life, the environment, your schools, your health services, everything that matters.
A lot of people like my age now have got some really good ideas about changing the world, and we've got to start somewhere.
Dyma ni felly wedi cyrraedd yr amser I gyhoeddi enwau Aelodau Senedd Ieuenctid Cymru. Diolch I bawb sydd wedi cyfrannu yn yr etholiad yma, dros 450 o ymgeiswyr, dros 20,000 o bobl ifanc wedi cofrestru ar gyfer cymryd rhan yn y bleidlais bwysig yma. Diolch hefyd I bawb sydd wedi cefnogi ar hyd y daith, y bobl ifanc I hunain wrth gwrs, ond hefyd yr ysgolion, yr sefydliadau sydd wedi bod o gymorth I ni wrth gynnal yr etholiad yma. Felly, fe fydd gan bobl ifanc Cymru o hyn ymlaen I llais yn I Senedd Ieuenctid I hunain. Os bleidleisioch chi neu os nad bleidleisioch chi, mae gyda chi lais nawr, mae gyda chi aelod i'ch cynrychioli chi yn y Senedd Ieuenctid. Felly dyma nhw, yr ymgeiswyr llwyddiannus. Dyma yr aelodau seneddol ieuenctid cyntaf I gael ei ethol yng Nghymru, pob hwyl I chi gyd yn eich gwaith. Dyma nhw.